Right, moment of truth, guys. Today's the day. So if we're going to use the original burner, or you know what I mean, what would be I do love them mushroom burners. Right, see how long she takes to warm up. I know the manometer doesn't work. I'm going to take that off, just strip it down and see if it's just... There's normally not much wrong with them. If they're in good condition, there's normally not much wrong. Normally a blockage or something like that. There's a lot of flame coming from that burner. But I would imagine with the size of that boiler, you need a lot of flame. The chimney turned out alright. Not perfection, but panel beating turned out alright. Base is good. Still jobs to do. Still a few jobs to do. It's a lot of heat. Actually, I haven't oiled it. A bit of steam oil. Go over all the rest of the iron spots. Every single one of these was blocked previously. A little bit in there. Right, there's a lot of flame coming off that burner, so can't remember which way it goes. I can hear it boiling. Right, so everything should be oiled. Close that. Yeah, it's showing that manometer's not working. I'm going to take that apart later. Because normally when they're in good condition, there's not too much wrong with them. Probably a blockage in there or something like that. But can you hear it? Flames, look at that. Oh God, here. It's chucking out a lot of heat. Got a little bit of steam boil coming. Can't remember which way she goes. I think she only goes one way. It's a little bit early yet, but you can see it is building. That probably wants lapping in like a valve. Got a little bit of steam escaping there, but I'll probably clean that up. Well, I've cleaned it. Probably wants lapping in. Yeah, like a valve. Got a little bit of water dripping from somewhere, from the sight glass. think she's going to go. Come on, girl. She's going to go. Getting rid of a bit of that condensation. That's what it is. Alright, shut that up now. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Ho, ho, ho. There she goes, guys. What a machine. What a machine. I was going to put a little pipe going around to a condensation. A little condensation. I've got these little. You get these off of Amazon. Tea, coffee, sugar containers they call them. They're about $6.99. But if you drill a little hole in and run a little tube, that's a perfect, nice little set. But here she goes. But I like the steam effect. You know, it's a big old steam engine. So I like to see the steam. What about that? What about that? When this is battered, steam seized up. Oh, how about that? We've even got a working manometer. Oh, I can't believe that. 1 bar. Really pleased with that. That weren't working before. So a little bit of a drip from the sight glass. I think it's that lever. I'll sort that out later. Well, here she goes, guys. What a... We've got a little bit of a leak from that. And the whistle. Oh, it just wants to tighten up. Oh, see it's loose. There's been a bit of a steam escaping, so I think that heat. I'm going to take that burner out. I think it's a bit. That is hot. I think the original burner, I'll run it on a... There's a lot of heat coming from that. There's a lot of heat coming from that. Next time I'll run it on the bigs. Because, you know, pressure did go up. The safety valve was doing what it's supposed to do. But I think there's a bit too much heat from that. I might cover one of them up properly. But, what about that, guys? What a beauty. Got a little tiny leak from here somewhere. I think it's probably this condensation tap. Well, very pleased with that. Very pleased. Yeah, that's got a little bit of water coming out of that, so I don't think that's much to solve. But yeah, well that's it guys. I've pulled the heater out now, so she's going to slow down. But what an absolute beauty. It looks like a proper steam engine with all that steam. When you go to a museum, you see the steam. Well, still a bit of fettling to do guys, but well, this is holding steam in that boiler. Still a bit of fettling to do, but I think we're there. Hope you like it guys. More coming on this one. Like and subscribe. Cheers guys.